Can I fan myself while applying makeup? Maybe. Hey guys, what's up? It's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a fun day. I'm trying a lot of new drugstore products. It's like 1,000,000 degrees in my apartment, and I'm really excited about Mamma Mia. Not in that order specifically. If you happen to be new to my channel, I'm a licensed esthetician and makeup artist based out of Los Angeles. I'm obsessed with simplifying beauty, making it quick and easy, and giving you all the information that I know. So if you enjoy this video, definitely don't forget to subscribe and hang out more because it's free, it's fun, we'll have a good time, I promise. All right guys, let's get into it. I am already sweating and we haven't even started. I don't know about you guys, but I've been watching the Mamma Mia trailer like on repeat. I'm so stoked for the movie that's coming out. And I just love the makeup in it. They did such a good job of just like this natural, fresh makeup. The first foundation that I want to talk to you guys about is Drugstore, and I've been having a blast with it. This is from Well People. It's a stick, and you can really be specific with where you place it. So we'll just take a little bit of it kind of on the chin. It's got great coverage. It feels light, nice and light on the skin too. You can just kind of pinpoint place it in certain areas where you want more coverage. So I'm actually gonna take this underneath my eyes and around my eyes too, just because there's not a lot of eyeshadow in the look. A little bit of coverage on those pesky little blemishes. And for that, I do actually prefer using a brush, because a brush will deposit more product than your fingers will. So then I'm just gonna take some mineral powder. SPF, this is great. I'll usually like take this to go with me so that I can maintain my SPF coverage throughout the day. In Mamma Mia, they wear so much bronzer. I think they probably do a little bit of body tanning. I picked up this little Covergirl trio. I thought it had a really beautiful bronzer with a lot of warmth, some shimmer, and like a nice peachy blush. I'm actually gonna use a denser brush to apply the bronzer because I actually, in this case, want more product on. All right, Covergirl, let's see what you got. Guys, this is it's like meshing into my skin really well. I'm kind of digging it. And then I'm also gonna take it across my nose. Fan break. If you're having a hard time like getting into eyeshadow, using a bronzer is a great place to start because bronzers tend to not have as much pigment as an eyeshadow would, so it's a little bit more mistake proof. While we're at it, I'm just gonna take a smaller brush with that same bronzer. I'm just gonna pop it underneath. So I'm just gonna go back to the same foundation brush that I was using and pick up a little bit of the blush that's in here. We're just gonna pop that right on top. It was really more bronzed in the trailers that I was looking at, but they did have this like peachy glow to it that I thought was really pretty. We'll take that same brush with this shimmer, this pretty shimmer right in the center. And we're just gonna, ooh, pop that right here. That is pretty. I'm just gonna take my fingers and let's just, oh, that is gorgeous. Do you see that, guys? It is like glowy, summery, beautiful. What? I just am gonna keep bobbing my head so you can just like appreciate. So I went to Ulta. I haven't shopped at Ulta for a while, and they have testers of a lot of their drugstore products now, which is crazy. I didn't know that. They were out of taupe, but I tested the taupe and the taupe felt like really green. This is an unofficial way of opening a package with tweezers. So I ended up getting the blonde, and this is a little pomade, and it comes with a brush too. I'm like, that's pretty cool. Oh, weird. What is this brush? What is that side for? I guess concealer or something? I don't know. I'm just kind of hitting the areas that are a little more sparse. Wow. Huh. This is actually cool. I'm gonna film another video on like how to choose the best product for your own brows, but this I'm like kind of blown away with. I went ahead and picked up the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. Okay, I'm just actually gonna put it on my hand and then apply it with my fingers. It is a pretty color. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna put some more on. What does it remind me of? The smell is not overpowering at all, but it reminds me of something. Is it like vanilla? Vanilla-y? I don't know, I'm gonna have to read the description. but I'm definitely gonna load up more. Oh, maybe that was too much. This is from Milani. It's the Stay Put Eyeliner Pencil. I am going to probably just tightline with this. And if you have trouble tightlining, just kind of focus on hitting like the lashes, because that's ultimately what you want. And then we'll take a little bit right through here. I am impressed with the amount of pigment. Like, even if you just dot it, like, it has got a lot of punch to it. Go to this brush and we'll just kind of blend it out. I'm really keeping it tight to the lash line, just for this kind of natural makeup. And then you can see that it kind of transfers on the bottom, so I'm just gonna take that, kind of spread the love a little bit, and then we'll just kind of flare it out like that. So I'm just taking it from the bottom lash line and just flaring it just like as if the lash line was continuing, just like pulling it up, bringing it over, and then kind of tapping away the excess with my finger. So that way it just kind of gives the shadow the hint of a lift without like creating a big wing liner. Because I don't really want anything to be the focus of this makeup application. I just want it to look like natural and fresh. Ya feel me? I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara. We'll do top and bottom. I didn't think that I was going to. Whoa, okay. Just tried to take this off, this liner off. Well, impressed. Okay, well, I'll definitely keep you posted on this liner, because if I found a $9.99 eyeliner that works, I will be letting you know. I did pick up the Revolution concealer. So I'm gonna use just kind of like a fluffy brush, and I just wanna kind of create a little bit more light. So I'm just gonna dust it after I stab myself in the eye. I'm just gonna dust it on top as just like a thin layer. But now my eyes are like, why did you do that? Makeup is dangerous, guys. As I was saying, sometimes when we build up too much product, it looks heavier and cakier and more distracting than if we just do like a thin layer kind of reflecting light. So that's kind of what my goal is. This eye remembers what I did to it. It's like, be careful. And then I am gonna take it just in this inner corner, just because I really want to pull some light in here. I know we already put like a shimmer on it, but look at that difference. Can you see? This is so crazy. I'm like, I didn't even use eyeshadow, but honestly, I feel like I don't even need it. Like this Covergirl trio thing kind of knocked my socks off. Alrighty guys, that is it for me for today. I am feeling so refreshed and excited about drugstore makeup. I'll keep you posted on how they wear, how they work, how I've incorporated them into my little life. And yeah, as always, more tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram at Makeup by Shannon Marie. Hope you're having a great week and a happy summer, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys. That was a weird wave.